He stood at the edge of the bridge. One more step and it would all be over. But faith has other plans. This is Jack Miller, 28-year-old mechanic from Ohio. The guy who used to fix everyone else's problem but couldn't fix his own. His mom gone. His garage shut down. His stomach empty. His hope lost. He tried, he applied for jobs, sold his garage tools, slept on the cold, oil stained floor of his empty garage. But the world didn't answer. And the bridge? It started whispering things no one should ever hear. Maybe it's time to let go. A Jack stood frozen. A quiet voice broke through the silence. Hey man, you alright? It was Ely, a homeless war veteran, sitting beneath the bridge with nothing but a worn out coat and hard earned wisdom. Ely had lost it all too, his leg, his home, his family. But she still smiled. She said something that Jack would never forget. You know what saved me? Helping someone else did more than any doctor ever could. That night changed everything. Jack followed Ely to a shelter. He fixed a broken wheelchair, repaired a leaking pipe, and for the first time in months, he slept with a reason. Jack didn't stop here. He started a mobile repair service called Hope in Motion, helping veterans and the homeless with free fixes and free coffee. He bought tools, warmth, and something rare, a listening ear. The story caught on. Donation rolled in. He hired others like him, people who were lost but not broken. Jack didn't need a miracle. He just needed someone to care and a reason to stay. Sometimes the things that saves you is saving someone else. Like this. If you believe in second chance, share it if someone you know might need to hear this today. Because your story isn't over. You are just at the turning point.